I will do what I can. I will go to the Senate before 10 o'clock. I will do what I can para buksan yung session hall at nandun po ang hearing natin.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, matapang at porsigidong nagbito ng mga salita na tuluyan ng bubuksan bukas ang Blue Ribbon Committee. Samantala, sa kabilang panig, ang minority bloc ay naghala ng bagong Senate President pero sinupalpalit ni Alan Peter Cayetano ay sa itong paglabag sa Constitution. At buong tapang niya sinabi na siya pa rin ay legitimate Senate President.
That was either February 21 or February 22. I think it was 21, no, before that day. And we all hugged him and sabi namin, if you love your country, we love our hindi ka namin iiwanan. So, malayo tayo sa crisis, mga kababayan. Malacanang, malayo tayo sa crisis. Why are we bringing it to a point of a political crisis na mahirap i-atras? The hearing is confined. So, yes, the notice of cancellation from the illegitimate, the illegitimate is not the committee. No, hindi ko ginagaya si Senator Erwin na ginagamit yung word na bastard kasi ngayon, whether or not you're a single parent, whether or not you're legitimate, tao ka pa rin. I'm talking illegitimate meaning hindi siya legal. Senator Erwin is not the legal chairperson of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Okay? Senator Pia Cayetano is the chairperson because there was no quorum, there was no session under the law that took place. Daming issue sa Supreme Court, yung unprogrammed funds, yung legality ng 2025 budget. Ang dami pong issue sa Supreme Court. Again, ulitin ko po. Ang pinakamalaking problema ng ating kababayan ngayon ay presyo. Presyo, trabaho at kita. Dadagdagan pa ba natin? You have manufactured a crisis since May 11 by saying magulo kami. Then you come up with this solution, one day today, papunta sa SONA, when we were going to produce our economic plan, our plan against corruption, the hearings, and then the impeachment. So, I will rest my case there. As I told you, there's a lot of things I want to say, but if we love our country, pray for our country.